We still gotta wait for Evan. What? Yeah, it's minor copyright.
Oh, hi YouTube. I didn't see you there.
Oh, hi.
I'm selling the V6 Mustang.
It's a bit dirty.
I haven't watched it.
I see this. My car's dirty too now.
Jayson, how much you want to sell it for? I'll give you my Cavalier.
Derek Snodgrass offered me $2,500 for this piece of shit.
The goose is going to get very aggressive with that child.
I'm buying a
Oh
GT.
boy. Watch out, child. I was attacked by a goose when I was young, and my mommy got very angry. Oh, Billy. That child's about to die. Jayson! All the geese are gonna attack the child. Oh boy.
Jayson. Jayson, look.
Oh, the ducks are coming.
Oh. Jayson, the ducks are now coming too.
That's what happens at Kroger when you're waiting for Evan. Because he's taking forever.
You know you're good rated at first base and turn set. You get a handle. That's base 1. Then when you get to base 2, you're getting 6'9".
All right. I heard Evan start his truck. Where is he?
He ain't in me.
Then when you see a cut, it's like,
Don't worry. Wait! Liam, you drove your car?
ah, shut up! Your car breaks down every 5 seconds. I just want to point out here, the cheapest vehicle here, which is the most different colored vehicle here, is the most reliable.
Once you got it fixed 2 years later. Liam, you do know it's raining and your window's down.
Yep, I know. I was just talking to him.
Okay.
Why do you think it was down?
I don't know. I'm just telling you it's raining, but it's still down.
I know. I'm talking to Sydney. Well, I
Oh.
came here since, you guys, forced me to come here.
You're welcome. Ow! Hi! You done open your door into me. That's like one of the first hybrids.
I've never seen one come.
That's nifty. That's very nifty. And look at that arrow design right there. Just straight over the wheel. Hey Jayson, sounds like your car's braking a little more.
It's just chocolate. Hey, that wasn't done.
Mine's not running that great either. Fair whale.
I guess us three will go over then.
Yeah. Fair whale, Jayson. Don't crash. That was an interesting sound that I've never heard before. We're gonna let her warm up for a minute. While she's doing that, let me put some stuff in here, such as the head mount and the suction cup mount that doesn't stay on, it falls off, as you saw in the last video, where it fell off the Dart's sunroof. And let's talk for a second. Look how dirty this is. First off, look how dirty this is. Daily driven. Daily driven. Also, I've got more of an exhaust leak now, so it's much louder, and it actually kind of sounds a little better. Doesn't sound as and it sounds more raspy. So yeah, nice and dirty. Nice and dirty daily driven Porsche 944. All right, so picking up from yesterday, Yesterday when we all met up at Kroger, the plan was to go to the mall, all of us together. But it ended up just being me, Blossom, and Evan going to the mall. Jayson wanted to get a shower because his power was out for the past, when he went to sleep that night, he couldn't get a shower because no hot water. When he woke up the next morning, he couldn't get a shower because no hot water. And then when he got home, because he wanted to get a shower, there was still no power. So he got a shower last night, but he didn't come. He's actually kind of glad he didn't, because he bought a Silverado. First off, he bought a Silverado. We'll probably see that later today because we're going to put bed rails on it. But he bought a Silverado and it actually broke at his friend's house that he actually went to. So he's kind of glad he didn't go. And then Liam, he just didn't want to go because he also had to work he had to work at 5, and it was already close to 4 o'clock when we were at Kroger. But yeah, it was a plan. We were all going to go to the mall, but it was just me, Blossom, and Evan. So I didn't record anything there because we didn't really do anything, in all honesty. We just kind of walked around for, honestly, maybe even a half an hour, if that. And then we went to go eat. Then we went to go see Aquaman, which is actually a really good movie. I don't like DC that much. I'm more of a Marvel person. Sorry, but I am. But that was actually a really good movie. I loved it. But anyway, today, right now, I'm letting that warm up so we can go over to Liam's, hang out with him. We're supposed to go for a drive, and he needs gas. That's the main reason why we're going for a drive. And then hopefully we're gonna go up to Jayson's and put those bed rails on. There's a pupper on the road. Hello, pupper. How are you? Goodbye, pupper. Oh yes, my exhaust still rattles. It doesn't rattle as much as it used to, but it still rattles. Also, I should probably get some gas too. Actually, it went up a little bit. When I got in after I got done doing that last clip, it was at 1/4 of a tank, and now it's gone up to a little bit below half. And yesterday it was at 1/2, and it was also at 3/4. My gas gauge you can't really trust that much, in all honesty, so that's why I always fill up when it gets close to 1/4 consistently. Hopefully I never run out of gas in this, but I mean, it may happen because the gas gauge isn't 100% accurate. Hi there.
Oh shit, man, why? I'm in a bad situation here. You can't tell. And I died.
Playing McBattlefield 5.
McBattlefield 5, yes.
McBattlefield.
Help! Help! No! You want to see the character? Have you played it at all?
No.
You want to see
Other than the beta,
You
no.
want to see the character customization?
I guess.
Okay. There's for the Axis powers.
Oh.
It'll actually switch. Yeah, there we go.
Oh, so it's not actually customization. You just get a choice of people to pick from.
People to pick from, but then you can
Change outfit. All right, so it's not actually customization.
Well, no.
Like you're making it out to be.
Well, no, it's not character customization. Like Fallout is what you were probably thinking.
Or GTA.
Well, no. I mean, it's not that advanced. But I mean, for Battlefield, for the never doing this before, it works
true.
pretty well.
So I just got a haircut. I wasn't coming over here for a haircut, but I got a haircut.
You got a haircut.
Now it's not super long anymore.
Oh, that's a tank. Oh man,
That was great.
I just saw that guy. What are you doing? Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome. Here, let me fix that for you. What?
I'll have it as a head rag. So, do you remember how I had a bunch of smashed Cheetos in here? Well, it's clean now. I swept it.
You done cleansed them, Mr. 2.
I cleansed it.
And you know it's revolutionary. You're gonna drive it today.
Well,
Again.
yeah, of course I'm gonna drive it. If there's no, salt on the ground, I'm a freaking driver.
But Liam, what if I put a piece of salt on the road? Are you gonna drive it?
Yeah, piece of salt. But if you dumped a freaking bag of salt on the road and then it got all under my car and then my car was like, brake, rust, I'd be like, I would become a Wendigo from Fallout 76 and be like,
Oh, Billy.
okay, you want to see a little kerfuffle with my car? I noticed this.
What in tarnation?
I need to get a new exhaust. And you want to see the exhaust? You want to see my exhaust? Yeah. Look at that. I could stick my finger inside.
Oh boy.
Yeah, that's my exhaust. I need to get a new exhaust.
And then Liam, I think you should do what I'm thinking about doing is just cut your exhaust off at the headers.
Oh, definitely.
So Jayson is now joining us in this little thing with his new troke.
Yeah.
But he's got to roll up the window first. Jayson, you gonna roll up the window?
I am not your typical redneck.
Jayson, why you have to roll up the window like that?
Because it's slow.
Jayson, you have side pipes.
I know.
It has side pipes.
You know what you do with this?
Jayson, you didn't text us. You didn't text us 15,000 times saying you had side pipes, but you have side pipes.
Hold on, here's the best part.
Oh, here, let me just kick
Oh, it's
her
hard
through
now.
that.
Boom! I will kick you in the dick. You're also halfway on the road because of big ass truck. I know. And I'm forbidden from parking in your little. Oh, I fixed the check engine light.
But you have a sticker that says this little light of mine. I'm gonna let it
Yeah,
shine.
I'll just fix the ABS light and the brake light. It was just a fuse.
No. Okay.
The reason why the brake pedal wasn't pushing a lot because
It's just a fuse.
because they
Jayson, why do you have to keep holding your door?
because it. Here's the best way to shut your door.
Just like your Mustang. Oh, this window goes down. Does it go back up?
Yeah.
It just goes and stuff. It's slowing down.
But I've also got power mirrors. This is a big step up from the S10.
Oh yes, you sold the S10 too.
Uh-huh.
S10's gone.
Can we go, please? My car's been running.
Yes, let's go to the gas station. And Jason's not here to rev with us, huh? So yeah, right now guys, what we're doing is we're going to Sheetz. I'll end the video there and then we'll pick up tomorrow's video, today's video, the next video, while we're there. Jason's truck seriously takes off. Like it got him moving pretty quickly there. He left a little bit of a gap between him and Liam, and he got on it a little bit, and it moved. Yeah, there is more of an exhaust leak now, and it does sound a little bit louder and actually a little bit better. But this will get a new exhaust probably after this winter, so. Should I cut it off before winter's over, or should I just go with it right now and then get a new one? Leave your suggestion in the comments down below what I should do.